Water is often referred to as the essence of life, and for a good reason. Covering about 71% of the Earth's surface and comprising around 60% of the human body, water plays a crucial role in sustaining life. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living organism relies on water for survival. And let's be honest, without water, we'd all be pretty parched and not nearly as refreshing. In this video, we will explore the significance of water, its unique properties, the water cycle, and the importance of water conservation. So grab a glass of water, and let's dive into the fascinating world of H2O. Chapter 1. The unique properties of water. Water is not just a simple liquid. It has remarkable properties that make it essential for life. Here are a few key characteristics. 1. Polarity and hydrogen bonding. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a partial positive charge on one side, the hydrogen atoms, and a partial negative charge on the other, the oxygen atom. This polarity allows water molecules to form hydrogen bonds with each other, creating a cohesive and adhesive substance. This is why water beads up on a surface, or why it can climb up a straw. These hydrogen bonds also give water a high specific heat capacity, allowing it to absorb and store heat without drastically changing temperature. This property helps regulate the Earth's climate and creates stable environments for aquatic life. 2. High surface tension. Due to its cohesive properties, water has a high surface tension, allowing it to form droplets and enabling small insects, like water striders, to walk on its surface. This phenomenon is crucial for various ecosystems, as it affects how organisms interact with their environment. 3. Universal solvent. Water is often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This property is vital for biological processes, as it allows nutrients, minerals, and gases to be transported in solution throughout living organisms. Water, the ultimate matchmaker, bringing together all the right nutrients to help life thrive. Chapter 2. The water cycle. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth. This cycle plays a crucial role in distributing water around the planet and supporting all life. Let's break down the stages of the water cycle. 1. Evaporation and transpiration. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas, water vapor, due to heat. This occurs in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even from the surface of the soil. Transpiration is a similar process, but it involves water vapor released from plants. Together, evaporation and transpiration are often referred to as evapotranspiration. This process is essential for the formation of clouds and precipitation. 2. Condensation. As water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it cools and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This process is essential for the formation of precipitation. 3. Precipitation. When cloud droplets combine and grow large enough, they fall back to Earth as precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This water replenishes our rivers, lakes, and groundwater supplies. 4. Infiltration and runoff. Once water reaches the ground, it can either infiltrate the soil, replenishing groundwater supplies, or run off into rivers and oceans. Infiltration is crucial for recharging aquifers and maintaining healthy ecosystems. Runoff is like water's final curtain call, rushing off to make a splash somewhere new. Chapter 3. The importance of fresh water. While water covers a significant portion of the Earth, only about 2.5% of it is fresh water, and much of that is trapped in glaciers and ice caps. Fresh water is essential for drinking, agriculture, sanitation, and industrial processes. Let's explore the sources of fresh water and their significance. 1. Rivers and lakes. Rivers and lakes are vital sources of fresh water for many communities. They provide drinking water, irrigation for crops, and recreational opportunities. Some well-known rivers, like the Amazon and Nile, are not just important for their size, but also for their biodiversity and the ecosystems they support. 2. Groundwater. Groundwater is another crucial source of fresh water stored in aquifers beneath the Earth's surface. It accounts for about 30% of the world's freshwater supply and is vital for drinking water and irrigation. Wells and springs are common ways to access groundwater. 3. Glaciers and ice caps. Glaciers and ice caps hold the majority of the planet's freshwater. As they melt due to climate change, they release fresh water into the oceans, affecting sea levels and ecosystems. This melting is both a critical source of fresh water and a concerning sign of our changing climate. Glaciers are like nature's snow globes, but we're all starting to realize they're melting way too fast for comfort. Chapter 4: Water and Human Life. Water is essential for human survival, health, and development. Access to clean and safe drinking water is a fundamental human right. Unfortunately, millions of people worldwide still lack access to safe water. Let's look at how water impacts our lives. 1. Health and sanitation. Clean water is crucial for maintaining health and hygiene. Lack of access to safe drinking water can lead to waterborne diseases, affecting millions of people annually. Proper sanitation and hygiene practices are vital to preventing illness and promoting public health. 2. Agriculture. Water is indispensable for agriculture. It is used for irrigation, livestock, and food processing. The availability of fresh water directly influences food production and security, making water management essential for sustaining our growing population. 3. Industrial use. Industries rely heavily on water for various processes, including manufacturing, cooling, and cleaning. From textiles to food production, water is an integral part of many industrial activities. Efficient water management is crucial for ensuring sustainable industrial practices. Water, the unsung hero of the industrial world, working tirelessly behind the scenes while factories steal the spotlight. Chapter 5: Water Conservation. Given the increasing demand for water and the challenges posed by climate change, water conservation has never been more critical. Here are some practical tips for conserving water. 1. Reduce water waste. Be mindful of water usage in your daily activities. Simple actions like fixing leaks, turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, and taking shorter showers can significantly reduce water waste. 2. Collect rainwater. Rainwater harvesting is an excellent way to collect and store water for various uses, such as gardening and cleaning. Setting up a rain barrel can help reduce your reliance on municipal water supplies. 3. Use water-efficient appliances. Invest in water-efficient appliances, such as low-flow shower heads, faucets, and toilets. These appliances can help reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance. 4. Landscape wisely. Consider xeriscaping, which involves using drought-resistant plants and minimizing lawn areas to conserve water. Native plants typically require less water and can thrive in local conditions. Landscaping wisely, because who needs a water-hungry lawn when you can have a beautiful garden that's also low maintenance? Chapter 6: The Future of Water Resources. As the world faces increasing challenges related to climate change, population growth, and pollution, the future of water resources is uncertain. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Climate change. Climate change is impacting water resources by altering precipitation patterns, causing more frequent droughts and floods. These changes can affect water availability and quality, making effective water management more important than ever. 2. Population growth. With the global population expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, the demand for fresh water will continue to rise. This increase will put additional pressure on existing water supplies and ecosystems, necessitating sustainable practices and technologies to ensure a reliable water source. 3. Innovations in water management. Innovative solutions, such as desalination, wastewater recycling, and improved irrigation techniques, can help address water scarcity issues. Investing in research and technology will be essential for developing sustainable practices that ensure access to clean water for all. The future of water is like a tightrope walk balancing between necessity and sustainability, and hoping we don't fall into the deep end. Conclusion: the lifeblood of our planet, water is an irreplaceable resource that sustains life, supports ecosystems, and drives human progress. As we continue to face challenges related to water scarcity and quality, it is crucial to recognize the importance of conservation and responsible water management. By making small changes in our daily lives and advocating for sustainable practices, we can help preserve this precious resource for future generations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of water and its significance, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, every drop counts, just like your support for this channel.